Hey there, game changers. As we've learned over the last few weeks, with the new Restore, there are many benefits, including the ability to play a functional skill and save your session data to a particular player after you've ended a session. And now we want to discuss why that is so valuable. So I'm going to enter into our players list, and you can see here I have a full list of individuals within my location or building facility. As you can see, there are several people, and I myself have not set up each of these individuals, but I have full transparency. So I can see that the team members I work with, whether they be in therapy or care partners in activities or life enrichment, are also playing and engaging with these residents and saving their data. As I click into the patient here named Jenny, I'm able to see that, in fact, she was created by me, or whoever that team member would be is listed here. And I can also look at her most recent sessions, as well as, most importantly, her progress over time. So this, again, is why it is so valuable to save that player data and have a profile where we can review and see that they're reaching their goals and they're maintaining their skill level. For example, we have right upper extremity movements here that have been tracked session over the last month. And we can see that while there was a dip, now we're increasing again. So this is really valuable information for us that not only we can print and share for our own use, but also we can share with family members who will really want to know how their loved one is doing in your care and would love to be tapped in and see that their progress is indeed happening. So that is why we wanted to share with you today the value in creating a player profile and saving their session data game after game.